How do data localization laws impact extraterritoriality? Imagine trying to access a friend's photo album stored across the world, but strict rules say the photos must stay in their home country. That's what data localization laws do. They requiring certain data about a country's citizens or activities to be stored, processed, or kept within that country's borders. These laws directly influence how countries enforce their laws outside their borders, a concept called extraterritoriality. Extraterritoriality means a country's laws can reach beyond its borders. When data localization laws are in place, they limit this reach by making data stay within the country. This creates a physical barrier because foreign governments or companies can't easily access data stored locally. It also makes legal enforcement more complicated because data stored in one country is mostly governed by that country's rules. For artificial intelligence and technology law, this has some big effects. First, it makes jurisdictional challenges tougher. If data is kept in one country, foreign regulators or law enforcement agencies find it harder to access that data for investigations or legal claims. For example, if a country's privacy laws aim to regulate data processing of its residents, but the data is stored elsewhere, enforcing those laws becomes more difficult. Second, data localization laws are like asserting a country's sovereignty over its data. They say, "This data belongs to us," which limits other countries' claims to access or control that data. This can lead to disagreements, especially when law enforcement from one country wants access to data stored in another. Third, these laws can slow down the flow of cross-border data. When data cannot move freely, it fragments the global digital space. This makes it harder for multinational companies and AI developers to share data across borders. It can also increase costs because companies need to set up separate data centers in each country to stay compliant. This slows innovation and makes operations more complicated. Legal and operationally, companies face a maze of different rules. They must follow local laws about where data can be stored and also respect foreign laws claiming extraterritorial rights. This can lead to legal risks and extra work to ensure compliance. Finally, widespread data localization can weaken international cooperation. If data is locked within borders, foreign authorities have less access for enforcement, cybersecurity investigations, or AI accountability efforts. This makes global efforts to manage data privacy and security more difficult. In practice, tech companies and AI creators need to design systems that respect local data laws while trying to meet international legal standards. They often create localized data storage solutions, control access carefully, and develop legal frameworks for cross-border data sharing. Overall, data localization laws push countries to control their own data more tightly. While this supports national sovereignty, it also makes international legal cooperation harder and can slow down the seamless flow of data needed for modern AI and technology services.